Kaseng Congress Hamengalaya kala Dawa badai bandon ke Jingtohkit jong ke Cbi ban lab ke Jingtohkit Menteri Sarkar James K Sangma ha ke Jingshalan Dewiong Beain. Habai krem klab thai kubor ke working president ke MPCC ke Deborah Marak kalai thu bakadon ke Jingshalan Dewiong Beain ke Bashir Khai Hagaro Hills badan kami ke Jingtohkit ban lab ke Jingtohkit jong ke babon. Kaseng kala ongru bala RCN menta ke kerteng James K Sangma kalami hagabai dei ke Jingshalan Dewiong Beain hindre 4 jutan ke no ke Jingtohkit.
Now, from the party side, I would like to urge upon the government to do the proper inquiry. Trucks are flying illegal trucks are flying every time. We know, and many trucks it's moving through Dainatubi, going to Gashuapara. It is 100% true. Now, government must give it to an independent inquiry. And there are many middlemen, dalals, those who involved in this business. Not only this Zaima enterprise or company. There are many local boys, they involved, they work hand in hand with these men, collected lots of money, doing nothing. So those who are involved along with him in this scam, I think those middlemen, so they should be investigated properly and they should be taken action.
And this is the second time when the name of Mr. James Sama has surfaced in terms of illegal coal mining. So what do you make of it? Don't you say Mr. should step down, taking more responsibility? Because this is the second time.
Yes, they should. What I wanted to say, first and foremost, they must do proper inquiry that they are not allowing any time. Unless and until you do the proper inquiry, independent inquiry, then only you will know what exactly happening in this government. Always we talk about corruption, inquiry, but it is not happening only. That's why we don't understand. Once we do this proper inquiry, as you have asked just now, if minister is responsible, definitely after knowing, then we will ask minister to step down.